How to replace the wireless WAN module. Before you begin, remove the service door and battery. Important: if an M.2 solid-state drive is installed in the slot above the wireless WAN module, it will need to be removed before the wireless WAN module can be removed. Remove the plastic shielding that covers the wireless WAN connectors. Carefully disconnect the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless WAN module to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless WAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless WAN module. Important: when installing the wireless WAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless WAN module with the key in the wireless WAN module slot in the system board.